Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Looking for a Challenger? We have found a nice one. This is the 2015 the Dodge Challenger. Stock number is 20443A. That's T20443A. Take notice of the exterior condition. Absolutely impeccable. No scratches, no dings, no dents. Making our way around to the rear, you're going to see that that's in impeccable condition as well. Very beautiful, beautiful red color. And the rims and tires really set this Challenger off. We're going to make our way into the interior. Going to notice that it's fully equipped, comfortable, and ready to cruise. Not only do we have this selection of Challengers, we have many, many more. Do me a favor, for more information, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and say hi and see our inventory at Sunset Ford. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.